welcome to Wellness Equal Water series, right? We want to talk about the series a little bit because it's the first one. You're listening to a new series on TRAC's existing Zoom Away Blue Fridays. But this is a new conversation. It's like a gift. It's one that we're hoping will engage, enrich, and empower you. And it is for you. So you're invited to a whole new kind of flow with TRAC. If you're a paddler, an outdoor enthusiast, if you already know like the positive benefits of being in, on, and around water, let's say that it turns out there are deeper and inherent reasons for that. So the premise of this conversation is that if our understanding of water and our relationship with water is true, then it follows that we will be well. So we're not saying that everything we know about water is wrong or not true. It's that there's much more to unpack, to reveal, and inform us about water. And that's why we were compelled to create this series. We want to open up some new dimensions of water that we haven't experienced or we're not aware of. So we hope in this series, they are revealed to create a more complete picture. In other words, we don't want to take water for granted. And we're not just talking about planetary ecosystems or local recreational water or even your drinking water. We're talking about the whole world of water. In this series, Wellness Equal Water, we're going to take a journey with you to discover the connection between water and wellness within. We'll attempt to unpack the many dimensions of water and how it impacts human health and biology and the health of the planet. So join us and help us create a blueprint to navigate this journey, leading the way to uncover the source of human vitality and possibly redefine our understanding of a new biology and the life-charging qualities of water. That's what this is about.